Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be going over the Urban Decay Brow Blade, and I'm also going to be giving you my thoughts on their Brow Endowed Gel. So I'm so excited to get into this. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting to try this out, especially the ink stain. I have heard incredible things. I'm going to do a little bit of a wear test as well. So let's go ahead and get started. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified. I do upload new videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I'd love to see you back on. So the Brow Blade retails for $26 and the Brow Endowed actually retails for $28. However, Sephora does have a promotion going on right now to where if you spend over X amount, you can enter in this code to where you get this for free. So I got to test this one out for free. Absolutely love this one, you guys. It works so good. I do recommend using it mostly if you already have a good brow shape, already have rather fluffy brows. It just works so good to fill them in. If you do use like kind of the edge of the spoolie, if that even makes sense, you can kind of draw out your brow a little bit too, so you can give actually like the really defined brow shape just like the photo shows. At first I did not believe the photo and I was like, yeah, right, I'm not gonna get that with just like a little bit of the tint, like whatever, but it actually worked really well and it lasted all day long. Didn't even didn't smudge. Washing it off, I was really paranoid about that because my brows felt really firm and I was so worried that it was going to pull out some of my brow hairs. However, when you get it wet use a makeup wipe, oil, whatever you want to use, it does come off really easily. So the Brow Blade, oh my gosh, I think we're going to use both the pencil and the ink stain. So I'm going to show both of these up close. So right now, I love brand new pencil brushes because they have just like nicest, sharpest edge and it's so easy to use them and give the defined like brow swipes. But then once they start getting more rounded, that job gets a lot more difficult. However, this being a bristle brush, like I think it's going to be so easy to use. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. We're going to get started on those brows. I'm going to do my best as possible to do my best with this product and give you an idea. I did get the shade Neutral Nana. I'm really paranoid it's actually not going to be too light, but we'll see. So this is as close as I could get you. We're going to do this brow with the brush and this one with the pencil and kind of give an idea of what they're both going to look like. So I'm going to go in the middle of the brow first. Work my way to the outside and then we'll do the center. Alright, so that is one brow done. I love this. You have to be so careful on that inner corner, and even still, this little area right here is just a little bit too dark, but it's fine because I'm going to just go in with a little bit of concealer. Oftentimes what I really love to do after I'm done with my brows, obviously, is concealing so you can really shape them out, but I like to take my brush and just kind of go like this with the flat end vertical and just go like just really gently kind of just like brush out the outer edge just to give it not so much of a harsh like, that's just how I like to do it. This one's not so like abnormal. A lot of you are used to using pencils already. Go in with my concealer really quick, just to kind of fix up the corners to give them a little bit less of such an abrupt edge. I'm just going to take my flat brush, put a little bit of concealer on the end of it. The brows are done. I can tell like straight on if I look in my mirror, this eye has more of a chocolatey look, and this one is definitely more of a dark brown, so the colors kind of turned out just a little bit different. I don't know if it was just like the utensil and just how like the shape was different or what, but they look a little different to me, but it's not that much of a difference to be like, whoa, her brows are like totally different colors. So I think that's fine, but you can kind of tell a little bit how this is like a little more of a smoothed over look. This one seems to have a little bit more texture and be a little bit more distinct. I think having that liquid in there and just being able to do those swipes really changed the game a bit. This side has more of that like waxy texture that a lot of the brow pencils have versus that one is just smooth. Like there's no waxy texture at all. If I pull my finger away, I don't get anything. If I pull this finger away, I get a little tiny bit of the brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw a little brow on my hand really quick, see how long that lasts today. I'll do a check-in with you later on tonight. I do have my live in a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I will see you guys later. Hey everybody, welcome back. Oh my gosh. I love this brow product. Urban Decay, seriously, I think they have like totally stepped up their game. This is like nothing else I've ever seen. It's almost as if my brows have been like microbladed. Like it was just so easy, yet also completely terrifying to use that super fine tip. Like I did feel like I couldn't mess up. However, honestly, I did mess up a couple times. I just used a Q-tip and just like went over it and it removed it. So as long as it's not like dried completely, you are able to kind of like shape around it. Plus, you know, you could always use concealer, so super easy to fix those problems. But my goodness, I feel like I'm having such a good brow day. I got a lot of compliments on my makeup during my live, which was so sweet. Everyone is always so nice to me during my lives. If you would like to check out my paparazzi bling, by the way, I do have some beautiful earrings on right now. Love this company. You can check me out in the link down below. Just find me on Facebook. This stuff is amazing and they're only $5. But as far as the product, I would highly recommend that you try this out. I also really, really love the Brow Endowed. Like this stuff is so easy to use. And again though, like my brows already like are pretty full, so I don't have to do like tons when I do my brows. But if I'm ever having a lazy day, this is so easy because I just like bloop bloop, put on the primer and then like bloop bloop, bloop, just put on the color. So simple and easy. So thumbs up from me. Thank you, Urban Decay. Love this stuff. If you don't want to buy both products, again, Sephora is having that promo right now, so you can get this for free like I did and then end up falling in love with it and probably wanting to buy it later. No, but for real, this stuff's super, super amazing. I am highly impressed. I feel like I'm having such a good brow day. So you can't go wrong with a good brow day, right? I just am excited. Also, I did draw a little brow on my wrist, and I do have to say, like my husband even pointed it out. He was like, you have a little brow on you. I was like, oh my gosh. But I want to show you guys, I can rub this like really super hard and it doesn't move. Like it's not smearing, it's still there. So this is the ink stain. It's really not going to go away. So that's super cool. But it does wash off with your makeup remover. I mean, I guess it leaves a little, no, it washes off completely. You just gotta scrub it a little. It basically removes it just with like a makeup wipe. So it's not like permanent. It does help your brows last all day long. I do have to say, I do like this brow a lot better than this one. This is the pencil and this is the stain. So, I mean, it's whatever you prefer. I just was so impressed with that stain. Really liked it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, and ring that bell if you would like to see more. I'm so excited to do this. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Have an absolute blast. So I hope you can check out some of my other videos. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!